who's coming? Wave? Is that you?
Yep, I'm afraid it really is me. And man, I'm lucky to be here.
What happened to you? You sure are a mess.
Well, it's a long story. And I'm afraid it's all my fault. Straight up, I'm a real drongo.
Yeah, I kept on telling you it was dumb.
Well, go on.
Mum's always telling us to put on our seatbelt whenever we're in the car.
Yes, that's good. So what?
I just hate 'em. And when she wasn't looking, I used to take mine off. She never knew. I thought I was pretty smart and cool.
Even I know that's definitely not smart or cool.
Yeah, you're right, Porangi. Totally dumb, I call it.
Well, last Saturday we were off to soccer and I did my usual trick. It was a really wet day. When we came to the corner with the bridge at the end of our road, Mum hit a huge puddle of water. The car went surfing.
Hey, that's where I live.
Well, suddenly the car spun round and started rolling over and over. The next thing, I felt the wind on my face, then nothing.
The next thing was that the door popped open and you had been thrown out. We'd hit water and the car aquaplaned.
What's acroplane?
Well, that's when the water lifts the wheels off the road and you can't steer. Anyhow, Mum and I climbed out of the wrecked car. We were hurt and bruised, but okay. And there you were. What a mess up against a tree. Blood everywhere. Your leg was bent. So was your arm. You were mumbling and breathing funny. I was so scared. Mum said I must not move you and to keep you warm.
This is so bad.
Mum used her mobile and rang the ambulance. She said again, "Don't move him," and I pulled my jacket over you. Finally, after what seemed to be hours, the ambulance, Sergeant Jacko, and police car came. I was so glad to see them. Off we went to the hospital.
I woke up and I was in a bed. Then soreness, I hurt all over.
You were so lucky.
You're so right, Parangi. The doc says I'm lucky to be alive. And it'll be quite a while before I surf again. I'm off to physio now. Kids, all I've got to say is wear your seatbelt. See ya.